medicine. But I remember last time when I went to see her at the hospital, she was unconscious. Her hand and feet was tied by the doctor, and I was given understanding of her mother that they had taken a permission from the doctor, from her by the doctors, that since she was howling, her time was such, she was howling, her hand and feet was tied for the bed. And that was the injury probably. Beside that, I don't know any injury. I did not see her. When I have such a good relationship, I never had any point of time argument with her. We had a good friendship, and I felt today I lost one of her utmost top a friend of mine who supported me all this time, even in my business.
म्हाका याद जाता हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान भायर सरतकीरचो शॉट तुजो मिकी कित्याक रडलो?
See, I did not cried because I was going to the police custody. I was surprised to see the investigation was going on. I was under stress. My blood pressure was high, 170 by 100. My sugar was done, 87. My bilirubin jaundice was high, 5.1. And I had given high dose and discharge from a hospital, although I was not well.
इमोशनल कित्याक जालो इतलो?
After looking at so much crowd, the minute I did not expect, did not even expect that media is outside. And there are hundreds of people, my well-wishers, my supporters, which I always treat them as my family. They always stood by me, and moreover, they have trust on me. And they know that I never do things wrong. I'll always consult my family. Those are my supporters. I treat them my family. Always, whatever I do, I consult them. And that is the reason, that is the time after I became very emotional after looking at the people, such a big crowd. I literally have to bow to those people. After going through, I'm so much gone through, the people stood by me, and my sincerity, my innocency, and my always truth to the people of Goa.
दोन गजाल जाल्यो तातूंतली मेन गजाल म्हळ्यार तुजे अगेन्स्ट आशिल्ली केसी. हाजे लागून तुगेले पुलिसांनी म्हाका याद पयलू स्टेज ऑफ पुलिसांनी कोर्टा आयला तुगे सगळी केसी घाल्ल्यो लायनीन. इतली केसी तुजे अगेन्स्ट आसा म्हण. डोंट यू थिंक तुगेलो जो पास्ट रिकॉर्ड आसा आनीक खंय तरी दॅट रेज डाउट्स ऑन युअर कॅरेक्टर आनी ताका लागून खंय तुका त्रास जाले चड?
When I was month long, I was watching on the TV. I was shocked to know that your channel, Prudent channel, was saying I had 10 or 12 cases. I was shocked. In the year 1990, they said that I have a rape case, which I was shocked. I was not even in Goa. I was in the United States. There is one more you all mentioned on to your channel that I have a case pending in 1997, ammunition case. I don't know from where this case. And I remember there was one more you all mentioned that I have case pending that I was moving without a number plate tag of the car. In fact, I had given a copy to you, which are the cases are pending. Yes, there are 4 cases pending. One is that also made politicalized, that assault, junior engineer assault.
Okay. That you are saying it is a political case?
Of course. And everybody knows it was happened here.
There are 3 cases filed by your wife against you.
Yeah, see, this is my family issues. Now, I got to tell you, I personally, a year back, gone to DGP, and I told the DGP, why this case is not prosecuted, why these cases are holded till date. I am personally gone, along with the Linden, in Panjim headquarters. Till date, these cases never came up, and I was shocked. The day I was going for a JC, I was taken there 9:30, 10 o'clock I was taken in the chamber of the judge. There, government advocate already sitting down asking for transfer warrant on all these 4 cases. My point, after 2.5 years, these cases are coming up, but I had trust on the judiciary, and that is the reason I knock each and every judiciary. Fortunately, I got my result.
बट ह्या तुतल्यान जो एक खंय तरी मिकीची इमेज जाली की मिकी असली गजाली भितर पडटा किंवा कसिनोची केस आसा ह्या गजालीक लागून ह्यो गजाली ह्या टायमार तुजी अगेन्स्ट गेली अशें दिसना द कॅरेक्टर जो तातूंतल्यान बिल्डअप जालो
कासिनो केस त्याचे किती आसा हांव खेळलां पयशे दिवन खेळलां चोरी करूं ना न्हू सी तेंची म्हणणी कितें आसा ती तें खबर आसा आनी क्रायम ब्रांचाक खबर आसा हिंगा आनीक फटोवपाक काय ना थिंगा CCTV अरावंड 48 कॅमराज आसले थंयसर तेंका CCTV फुटेजीस आसा आनी फुटेजीस तें पयलां आनी ते पासून ते प्रोसिक्युशन करूंक पावना कित्याक थिंग कांय ना
त्या केसी काय ना म्हण
ते केसीक वोर्थ ना आनी तेंका खबर आसा
लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दीस इंटरव्यू म्हाका मेन गजाल तुजी पॉलिटिकल हाजेर जाय तुजें लास्ट बेल एप्लिकेशन जें जाल्लें जें अनाकलेत वेगसान फायल केल्लें त्या हातूंत भितर क्लियरली मेन्शन केलें की यू वॉन्ट टू कॉन्टेस्ट फ्रॉम नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हणून त्या हातूंत भितर मेन्शन केल्लें आहा
Certainly, I will contest Nuwe or anywhere else. It's not an issue. See, I have mass people with me. And
कॉन्टेस्ट खंय करतलो
I treated my people of Goa, whoever with me, I treated them not as my supporters or not my politically workers. I treated them as my family. See, आमी येता आसतना कांय घेवन येवना आनी वयता आसतना कांय घेवन वचना पूण एकूच घेवन वयतलो कितें बरें करतलो गोंयांत हे भारी आतां नवी आमची
कॉन्टेस्ट खंयच्यान करतलो
कॉन्टेस्ट हांव गोड्या नुवें करतलो बेनावली करतलो कोर्ताली करतलो आनी ना जाल्यार खंय जाल्यार करतलो
सगळे म्हणटात की तूं नुवें करतलो
म्हाका नुया बशिल्लो म्हणून कॉन्टेस्ट केलो म्हणून म्हाका
लास्ट ZP इलेक्शनाक तुवें नुवेंच कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलें
म्हाका धांवपाक गरज ना हांव नुया कॉन्स्टिट्यूट बसून हांवें नुया कॉन्स्टिट्यूट लायक माय बेबी I can sit at home and get elected.
तूं इतलो कॉन्फिडंट आहा
इतलो कॉन्फिडंट आहा आनी म्हाका खबर आहा
आलेशा उडयत तूं इतली इजिली
म्हाका कोणाक गोंयांत कोणाक उडोवपाक म्हाका कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना म्हाका विस्वास आहा हे गोंयचे पोरजेचेर आनी गोंयचे पोरजेक म्हजे विस्वास आसा हांवें कोणाक नागोयल ना कोणाक फटयलें ना हांव 8 वर्सां मंत्रीमंडळ हांव आसतना कोणाक कोण म्हणना मिकीचेर कसली केस आहा म्हगे
नुया जर घेतलें जाल्यार नुव्यात तूं आतां NCP आहा तुमचें कोलिशन आसा थंय आलेश आसा ऑलरेडी
फाल्यांचो दीस कोणें कोणा सांगूंक जायना हाल्यांचो दीस कोणें सांगूंक जायना आनी पाटया मद्दर हांव उलयना
पार्टी बद्दल तूं उलयना
आय लीव एवरीथींग वीथ द पीपल
पार्टीचेर न्ही
हाल्या म्हाका 40 कॅन्डिडेट घालपा जाय म्हाका कोणें आडावपा जायना
फाल्यां मिकीक स्वताची पार्टी काडपा जाय कोणें आडावपाक जाय
म्हाका कोणें आडावपा जायना आय एम फायनान्शियली सावंड ओके हांव कोण आनी कितें तो हांव जाणा आनी देव जाणा
सो फाल्यां गरज पडली
म्हाका एकूच सांगचें दिसता तुका हांव कितें मनीस तो हांव जाणा आनी देव जाणा
सो फाल्यां जरी NCPचें आनी काँग्रेसीचें कोलिशन असलें जाल्यार सुद्दां मिकी आपल्या हाजेर आपल्या फोर्साचेर आपल्या ताकदीचेर नुव्या बसपाक शकता
म्हाका कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना हूंय बसपाक
ऑन एनी टिकेट
म्हाका कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना पूण रायट एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम आय एम इन NCP I believe
and future is open.
Future is open. I believe the leaders are with me. High command is with me. Okay, I don't believe in whoever anything talks. I don't believe in that. But I have full trust.
Right now, you have faith in your high command. Future is open.
I believe in Sharad Pawar. I left everything on him. He's my leader. The time, all these people who join now, I believe in my leader. Whatever I had discussed, even this month long I was avoiding to the police.
So you're in touch.
I am in touch with my leader and I'm in touch
म्हजो टायम सोंपला म्हण म्हाका लास्ट तुका एक डेलिकेट क्वेश्चनाचेर काबार करपाक जाय तुवें एक खूब सिरियस एलिगेशन केलें जेली भितर तुका मारपा खातीर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट किलर्स धाडिल्ले म्हणून वॉट इज दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू एंड दीस इंटरव्यू ऑन दीस नोट आय वॉन्ट यू टू क्लॅरिफाय ऑन दीस जेली भितर तुका मारपाक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट किलर धाडिल्ले
जेली भितर मोबायल आहा सगळें आहा सोरे मेवता सगळें मेवता जे जेली मध्ये हे सालसेता थोडे मंत्री नाय हांव मंत्र्यांना सांगना क्रिमिनल मंत्री आहाय ते क्रिमिनल मंत्री सालसेतीतले क्रिमिनल मंत्री आहाय ते तेंगे रेकॉर्ड चोयस त्या मंत्र्यांगे गांवांक केसो रेकॉर्ड आहाय ती मर्डरर आहाय किलर आहाय ते आय जेली आहाय ते फोन करून त्या मंत्र्यांक कॉन्टेक्ट कोत्ताय उमके आसा मिकीचे दोनूय पांय उडयताय आमी उमके पयशे अकावंटाक घाल
ह्या लेवलाचेर पाविल्लें
ह्या लेवलाचेर पावलां
हें तुवें तुज्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलां.
हें म्हज्या दोळ्यान चोयलां आनी हें म्हज्या दोळ्यान चोयन हांवें जेलराक सांगलें मुगे देराको एक जेलर दवर म्हणून. आनी जेलर दोन ते राती एकूच रात रावन दुसरे राती कडेन पावचे आदीं ते राती कडेन हांव दुयेंत म्हणून म्हाका ब्लड प्रेशर हाय आसलो, मांगदण आसलो. म्हाका हॉस्पिटलान व्हेलो आनी हॉस्पिटल एडमीट केलो तेणी.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन म्हजो, ह्या सगळे एपिसोडा उपरांत वन पर्सन जाका तूं ब्लेम करता ह्या सगळे गजाली ह्या तुज्या परिस्थिती खातीर, कोण एक मनीस हो?
एकलो मनीस ना, हे सगळे काँग्रेसा मेळून केलां. ती अल्टिमेटली एकलो मनीस आहा. एकलो मनीस दुसऱ्या मंत्र्या मेळ्ळो, दुसऱ्या मनीस तिसऱ्या मंत्र्या मेळ्ळो. निमा कडेन हायकमांड तेंचे होम मिनिस्टर घेवन बसले आनी सगळें बसून कूक केलां.
सो हातूंत काँग्रेस हायकमांड सुद्दां आसा.
सगळे आहा. सगळे काँग्रेसा हायकमांड खबर ना. काँग्रेसा हायकमांड आतां खबर ना. आय केम आउट क्लीन. देर इज नो एविडन्स. देर इज नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट. यू थिंक हायकमांड डजंट नो? हायकमांड वेरी मच नो.
मुद्दाम करतात.
मुद्दाम करतात. तांकां जाय से सी आय टेल यू, हायकमांड काँग्रेस वॉन्ट they to run the whole country. They live on politics. See, I don't live on politics.
या
Congress live on politics. I don't live on politics.
आपूण पॉलिटिक्साचे जगना आनी फाल्यां गरज पडल्यार आपूण 40 कडेन कॅन्डिडेट घालपाक तयार आसा अशी स्टेटमेंट मिकी पाशेकोन केला. आनी ह्या केसी संबंदी आपल्या वैयक्तीक लायफा संबंदी कॅरेक्टरा संबंदी जे जे प्रश्न आशिल्ले त्या सगळ्या प्रश्नांची तुम्ही ओपनली उत्तरां दिली, खूब फ्रँकली उत्तरां दिली. पयलो इंटरव्यू, डिटेल इंटरव्यू तुमचो आफ्टर दीस होल एपिसोड. आनी तुमी आमचे कडेन आज उलयले, तुमचो टायम काडलो. वी नो की यू आर व्हेरी स्ट्रेस्ड आउट आनी स्टील तुमी टायम काडलो आनी आमकां इंटरव्यू दिलो. वी गिव अप थँक्स अ लॉट. इट वॉज प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू.